Even I was like you. If you are someone who doesn't believe in tarot, I was a skeptic as well. I used to wonder that why these women, even men, uh, shuffle these cards and then suddenly they pick out certain different looking cards and then they talk about certain predictions or your feelings and stuff like that. But then when I went to a tarot teacher, when I actually researched about tarot is a divination tool. It's basically just a tool, but in the right hands it works as miracle. Because the teacher I was taught by, she explained me that tarot is actually just reading the predominant energies around you or around your client. We are all energy beings and we carry a certain frequency, right? So according to our karmic imprints, our karmic structure or our vasanas, if at all you say, or our sanskaras, these predominant energies always change. So prediction always happens in the near future. If it's a powerful psychic, like there are many celebrity psychics who actually can predict till 2 years, but for the normal psychics they can actually tell you within months certain things are happening, or within a year. So that only happens because the psychic is actually reading your energies through tarot. Now, coming to astrology, astrology is a very calculated science, right? We learn about it. There are sutras, that is, there are equations which actually calculate your birth time, how the planets were. And if you're a skeptic who doesn't believe in planets affecting us, ask yourself how you get those tides in the sea, or how a female body functions. Why do we have menstrual cycle which is actually 28 days, and it's actually according to the moon cycle. Sun cycle is also one of the things. And like, okay, this is an amazing coincidence, today is winter solstice, right? So this is the longest night of the year. So this is again, the sun's position is changing from tomorrow. So not everything is illogical. And like I had told one friend, that if certain things feel senseless, it's because the sensory organs in pursuing them, or perceiving them, pursuing them nahi, perceiving them, the perception is very limited of the sensory organs. So you need to actually have the other extrasensory organs to feel all these things. So these are not so